Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm excited. I got a new package yesterday from Huntsboro Hemp. I don't know exactly what they sent for me. I talked with Susan Cruz through text and let her know that I was running low on my personal supplies. And so let's see what she has sent me. I love getting stuff in the mail. It's like Christmas. Let me tilt y'all down. Yes! I am about out of my tincture, which is the Relief tincture. I use it every day, morning and night. Helps with the muscle soreness and joint soreness that I have on a daily basis. And this is a miracle cream, in my opinion. I represent Huntsboro Hemp. I'm an influencer for them. So if you are interested in finding out more information about their products, this is one of my favorite. It's the comfort cream. You can rub it right into your joints on those sore muscles. I love it. I highly recommend it. If you have any of those arthritic type pains every day or whatever, muscle pain, the information is endless on their website, and I'll post a link to that on the page. But you can go to cookandcuttingup.com, and all of the links that I influence for are there, and Huntsboro Hemp is one of them. They're family-owned, farm-owned company, and out of Oxford, North Carolina. And they are fellow farm family, and they've raised the same crops we've raised for years, and then they diversified their farm by raising hemp, and they've made these fabulous products. I just rubbed some of this. I was almost out. Just rubbed some of this on my knees for today. Anyway, Huntsboro Hemp. Susan, thank you so much, and I will put this to great use. And if you have any questions about Huntsboro Hemp, check out the website first, and then hit me up on private messenger. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer those for you. Anyway, have a good day. Thanks again, Susan Cruz. See ya.